Hello friendship, how are you today? Welcome to my small kitchen. So today's video, I want to show you how to make Korean cucumber kimchi. Yay! So if you're new to my channel, just call me simply Shayla, and my video is all about cooking. I work in a cosmetic company, so I sometimes upload Korean cosmetics, and I'm also uploading some travel once in a while. So I hope you will like my video for today, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please give me a thumbs up if you like. Anyway, I want to show you the ingredients sa aking gagawin ngayon. So, let's start it. First, this is a garlic. 2 tablespoons of garlic. Of course, green onions. Hindi siya green. Carrots. And, syempre, a bit of ginger. And kutsukaro or chili powder. And of course guys, hindi maano itong cucumber. Then this one, fish sauce, but this is optional. It's depends sa taste sa cucumber. Kasi binabad natin sa atin. And also a bit of sugar or MSG. So let's start it. First guys, I have to put on my gloves. So this cucumber, I've already washed the cucumber, and then I'll slice it like this, and I slice natin sa dulo at the both ends, then slice like this and half of it, yung kalahati. Sorry, Inglesera ang yung mama. Ayan. 1/2 na siya. So, pag natapos nyo lahat yan, guys, ibabad natin sa asin for about 5 to 10 minutes. So, naibabad na siya for 5 to 10 minutes, guys. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is hahaluin na natin. O, gagawa na tayo ng kimchi, di ba? So, dyan lang muna kayo. Tapos, guys, ayan. After na natin siyang mababad, soak for 5 to 10 minutes ng salt, rock salt. Di, syempre, meron siyang konting the water come out. So hindi natin kailangan ng tubig, so we have to take out the water. So i-take out muna natin yung water, guys. So tikman natin kung matabang siya. Very crunchy. Naano na talaga yung asin niya. So, after that, ilagay natin itong garlic. Put the garlic, the ginger, then the carrots, spring onions, or green onions, the more the better. So we have to mix it up. Imimix lang natin siya, guys. So of course, kailangan natin ng MSG. Konti lang. Then kailangan natin ng konting 1 tablespoon of sugar para maghalo ang salt at saka sugar para masarap siya. Then, of course, we have to mix it up. Halo-halo. Kailangan din guys, i-mix ko rin yung salita ko kasi there are some subscribers who want to watch my video, then they don't understand. So, I have to mix my language. Ganun tayo, language. Annyeong. Sa Korean subscriber ko, to my Korean subscriber, annyeong. So, ilagay na natin ang kutsukaro or chili powder. So, lalagyan natin ng about 3 muna. Depende kung mapula siya. Kasi ayaw ng mga ano ko nang hindi mapula. So, 3 tablespoon. Depende lang guys ito sa sa gusto. Pwede ring walang chili powder. Merong chili powder na hindi maanghang. Oo. Ay, ko. Ihalo-halo lang natin, guys, para umano siya. Yung anong tawag niyan? Mag-dip siya, mahalo lahat yung mga ingredients. Maraming kimchi na gusto kong i-show sa inyo. Kung gusto niyo ng napak-cabbage kimchi, pwede ko ring i-demonstrate sa inyo. Just comment and or ask me, message me what kind of kimchi do you want me to make. So, I will be glad if you will tell me. Ito guys is favorite. This is the favorite of my husband, so I have to make it for him today so that I can have my allowance. Charot. Anyway, ayan. Ano-ano lang natin guys yung ihalo-halo. Kasi kung hindi mahalo talaga guys, hindi masarap. So, ilagay na lang natin lahat itong green onions para lalong mas masarap. Para maraming ingredients siya. Kasi, mahilig talaga sila sa this is good, anyway, this is good for vegans or vegetarian people. This is very healthy. Nutritious. And I hope na magugustuhan nyo ang lasa nito because this is all natural. This is all vegetables. So, hindi na kailangan natin ng karne. So, this one can make your day. Pag mahilig kayo, alam niyo naman yung cucumber is good for skin, di ba? Tsaka good for talaga body. So i-try natin guys kung ano yung taste niya. Did you hear that? It's very crunchy. Very crunchy, and then yung tamis niya tsaka yung alat naghalo. So guys, 100% masarap. Kung gusto niyo mag-order online sa akin, pwede. Anyway, masarap talaga guys, walang biro. Medyo maanghang lang. A bit of spicy talaga. Or very hot. Pero guys, masarap. Very crunchy. And the salt and the sugar combined together. What should I say? The taste is very sweet and sour, something like that. But not sour. Not sour, but because it's we don't put a vinegar in it, just the salt and the sugar plus the spicy, and it's very crunchy. So I hope na magustuhan niyo ito, guys. Tingnan nyo. Tapos na. Oh, kuha kayo. Why don't you try to make it? Anyway, I will put the recipe into what they call in the box, our comment box. So mag-ano na lang kayo doon. Just look at it. So this is all for now. I hope you like my video, and I hope you like, comments, and share as well. Guys, kung bago pa lang kayo, please don't skip. Please don't skip the advertisement. It can help my channel, and I can help my subscriber too. So this is all for now. This is Simply Sheila saying I love you all. Bye.